Ogini can get mere no mamam. Could be when I diama. Ogini can get mere no mamam. Could be when I diama. Ogini can get mere mamam. Could be when I dia shape. Ogini can get mere no mamam. Could be when I diama. Ogini can get mere mamam. Could be when I diama. Ogini can get mere mamam. Could be when I diama. Ogini can get mere mamam. Could be when I dia shape. Ogini can get mere mamam. Could be when I diama. You can never grow taller than the person that planted you. If you are not strong enough to ask about what happened to your father, what happened to your father will happen to you. You said you want to go to town. To do what? And I am saying you will go there and you will not come back. You have chosen a name, naked. You will be naked wherever you go, wherever you be. You will die there. You will die there, Onyekachi.
Onyekachi. Onyekachi. Where is this boy? This boy will not kill me. Eh? Every time he will be roaming around from one place to another. Don't you know you are a man? Hey! I'll wait here and wait for you until you are back. Eh? What is all this? You want me to be crying every day? No. Hey!
Oh yes. Sinyolo makala joku. Iwe weta paka mojoku. Makaneji meku joku. Oh yes, boy so kana nari makana moto nja popo abiagu. Tombress nne mo kulu si. Professor. I define Zenith Hotel. Zenith International. Okay, sorry boss, I forgot international. International. Where is Zenith International Hotel? Zenith International Hotel. Okay. If you reach this junction now like this, this
Dikeh.
Okay.
Dikeh like 20 or 30 naira go carry go GT bank side. Just tell them, yeah, now they will run the matter.
Oh yes, boy, so can na makana moto nja popo abiago. Professor, I define Zenith Hotel. Where is Zenith Hotel?
Zenith International.
Okay, sorry boss, I forgot international. Where is Zenith International Hotel?
Zenith International Hotel. Okay. If you reach this junction now like this, this junction where Dikeh.
Okay.
Dikeh like 20 or 30 naira go carry go GT bank side. Just tell them, yeah, now they will run the matter.
Your own small case. As I did so now, they tell you say all this who be patient also now yesterday. Where meet them? Ha, don't ask him now. Because he was there. You know how many years? What on there for this business?
See, bros, if you make me star, I go carry my sister give you. I will okay.
I beg you, forget that sister. It will be sister. If you come my book, all this script do I carry, take my phone. Guess where they reach like 30 million. But to your sister no be anything. If you just that price what I tell you, if you do them, with all these stars way full everywhere, and me get them now.
Now you make them star.
Because you know how many years what I done there for this business?
Bros,
you know how long what I done there for this business?
I don't know, this guy carry me play. Give me this thing, I test more now. I test more.
They go first. They go.
Bros, we go on later.
How far now?
Excuse me, sir.
Good evening. Wait, excuse. Let me check something. This script now, they just wrote it down. I'm starting shooting tomorrow.
Shooting?
Okay, so what are you talking about?
Sorry, I'm just waiting for somebody here. A friend of mine just told me that I should come and do it again. Hey!
What are you looking for?
My phone, oh, my phone.
Hey, if you inside that cake, but come first now. Later we'll go track him. Who be that to say the file? What's his name now?
His name is
I don't even know the name.
Galaxy.
That kind of name, I never heard that kind of name before.
You don't know Galaxy?
For here?
You don't know Galaxy?
No. Maybe not before this Zenith Hotel in the state. Maybe not for the other one. But see what's happening. You get 1 PM producer. What I can introduce you to. That one might be everything. You see in Kemo, Osofia, I make him waiting be today. I they tell you now. John Okafor, Ibu, no be yesterday. Ibu, Dan, come on. Yesterday now. Ask him, I go tell you. That guy now, even maybe from the guy said if you meet the Galaxy, but I don't know him.
I beg, God bless you.
No problem. But this job I will start very soon, shall no go inside.
Okay, thank you. See my phone. Oh.
Leave him now, the guy will come back. May we go inside. And let I will go find the guy. I'll start this one soon. No worry, very soon you will come here. Let's say you go peace. This guy what they tell you, like my boss. All those people what they tell you outside. If they come here, that's so they go lie down for them. I can't call them boss. Okay, I'll see him more. Boss. Boss. Now my friend is this. When you say you don't know why they worry me. Say you want join what you do because of in the see what I put on my Facebook. He got like him. So come, we got to say you got somebody that will call one name for him. Say na Galaxy. Say that's I don't know the name. But if na true say you want join what you do, I get one of my oga. We say na bring us Sophia out. That time. He come and shout.
He told me.
That's why I can go meet you. Hey, say I'm go help him, my friend. I beg. Yes. So make una talk. Ma go break this script. You know say we dey start tomorrow. Finish
this breakdown. Finish this breakdown. Get my own copy.
No problem, sir.
What's your name? My name is Dikeh, but my friends they call me Dikeh. Yes, sir. You put that one, mama. Okay. So join us together. Imagine.
This guy is funny. Naked one, mama. This guy is never that one.
Naked one, yeah.
Well, no problem. See, for this job that I'm starting now, okay.
I wouldn't mind. Oh, by me.
See, PAs I work with are not lazy ones. They're hardworking people. So if you know that you're this type, better tell me now.
No. I won't support you, sir.
Let I go and see you over there, give you your number so that people will call you first thing in the morning and come out and join you.
No problem, sir.
People don't tell you, say, before you got you, they will say, you are doing something. You know that you say, I can't drink hot soup. Guy, go to the bar, buy me one bottle of Hero.
But
Open up. Oh, liver, no worries. Now we are talking. Oh. You understand? Not see come by now.
You know, say, I'm still the enter camp and when they start shooting tomorrow, I beg, I want everybody just stay on the toe, just stay gallant. And tomorrow when they shoot, so I will run. And I just, boss just leave me now. Say, man, go do photocopy for them. Bring your own copy. Because me, I need to finish breakdown now. Okay. So I want to go settle down, read my script. Man, no go focus for set tomorrow.
Don't say by now, the costume and they go down, they arrange the costume.
Now that woman now, when they bring the big bag.
And they tell you, see, another thing when they bother me, when don't say the other job we will do with that woman. But I tell the woman, make she stop to the carry that big costume bag. The way she they think they compress the costume, if you carry one, the costume for the bag, if you carry one, I die.
Here's what I tell you now. That guy where boss go bring, boss bring one guy.
Best way won't follow me to the job.
The PA now, another PA now, so I think with the wrong.
And the boss don't say, you know, see me now, senior key at you. Make the guy know the door because the whole work they go for inside now. Continuity. You have bad boys left. See, as I did here now, the kind of pressure they always give me for production. Now you make I say, make I crack my brain now.
Now because they teach you, if you don't know how they take, take tester, put cable inside your shop.
You try for me, oh. Now I don't become expert.
So what about you?
I didn't tell you. Hey.
You know, we do something like this.
Wait. I feel here now.
He will come.
Okay, he will come.
This guy going to play in my help us see me live for me. I'm going to my hand carry a phone. Help us live up. Let me not talk to them. Let me say that this bring them. I don't want to talk trash because I don't like. Then
see all these years, the way they take the shake their bottom. The way they behave to say they get money or get reward.
at least the man with the chop your food.
that?
Bro, sorry, bro. Please, I don't have anywhere to sleep, please.
You don't get anywhere to sleep?
I don't have anywhere to sleep, please.
Ah.
Yes, bro.
Oh, well, now. For here, nothing. Don't know anywhere. Come on, no match for here. Come on, that's no left. I want to not be like this. See where your head go there. I know say you know they snore. No. You know they snore.
No, I don't snore, boss. I don't snore.
You don't snore.
No.
Because I know what you make at the ask. People will get this kind size where you get this. It's snore where you go. Don't snore. Now when they break, first I go know what you carry go.
Hit one key person for this boss.
No, wow.
Yeah, where you go? I better come back. Who carry Jen for this?
Which Jen? They say make you go carry Jen. He say which Jen?
Which Jen?
Go carry Jen. He say which Jen? See Mumu. Say they open your phone. Bring Jen down. He here work, you know the big boy. You go eat the money, but your body go tell you. What did they do? I bring them down now. No be, you know, heavy. The hefty person now. Utilize your body. So that if they eat the PM money, you go say you walk. I mean, go. You never see son. They go. Wow. This guy. What do you do this? I don't bring the chain now. No bring this. Now wow. I mean, carry yourself, go carry cable, enter fire, make you walk. Cable. Which one? Come cable again now. Cable. Which one? Cable. Wire. Utobo. You want to do PA work? See, Mumu. Now, so the judge they take work. He go eat the money, but he go hear am. Now me and you.
mean, go run the wire.
You say?
Run the wire.
Run the wire now.
See, make I tell you. Yeah, go. You see, for this job, we not the help person. Everybody they do their own thing to collect money. You understand? Wire, you go run the wire. Wait first. Who draw this tattoo for you? You dey village draw tattoo. How you go take get sense? See, run wire, you on the chain, you draw into room. No need to do fine boy. Do the wire.
Cosmia, prepare for the next scene.
What scene?
Scene 42. Fast, fast, fast. See, send the costumes upstairs.
Make up fast, let's go.
Can we rehearse?
Let's start.
Yeah. Baby. If only you can give me more time, I will prove to you that I love you. I love you more than me. He's only showering you with money. He doesn't love you as much as I do.
Why are you making things difficult for yourself? I've told you that I love you. Even if he doesn't love you, I'm ready to wait for him. Okay? I'm ready to wait for him to reciprocate. I mean, just understand that and let me be. Please.
Baby girl, listen to me. I am not gonna give up on you. No matter
Let's
what.
go, let's go.
No matter the situation.
Akaki, you have the first line. Let's read lines, please.
Baby, see, if only you can give me more time. Honestly, I will prove to you that I love you more than that guy. He's only showering you with money. Eh? He doesn't love you as much as I do. I can bet on that.
Why are you making things difficult? I have told you that I love you. Even if he doesn't love you, I'm ready to wait for him to reciprocate. Just understand and let me be.
Baby, you see, you do not understand it, but then I will not give up on you.
Stop, sir. Are you with me, sir?
Yes, sure, I do.
Please, I want us to feel the emotion in your voice when you respond to the question that she has asked. Okay? I want the audience to see how romantic you could be and how much she means to you. Can you do that for us?
Sir!
Please, director, please ask them to speak louder because we're using camera microphone and not the phone.
You heard my DOP. Please project for the camera. Project. DOP,
Sir.
are we good to go?
Yeah.
No, they hold the bowl like that. Na kissing. You kiss, you pass, you kiss, you pass. You think go they rotate. Na rotational motion, my guy.
Baba, the bowl go well.
How do you read this one? Wait, make a kiss first. Make him no say. Kusi.
Baba, the bowl go well.
It's just I take the dragon.
See your momo friend. This guy. Where you come from, sir?
Now what you need to take? You see all this PA work where they talk say the thing they hard. If you do small thing, you go tire. If they hard, you no go tire you again. And they tell you go utilize your size now.
You sure?
Sure. We sure banker.
Tribal mark.
Take now, guy. If they waste this, you go.
They collect.
Take now. They know they waste this, you go.
Baba, the bowl go well.
Just they tap as small. They tap as small. Time no do. Not down. That's not good.
You see your friend.
This motor just tap. Tap again. Stand up. Tap again. Okay, don't enter for Nyame. Oh yeah, tap. Kiss now.
This guy all big anyhow.
Not down. See, not down like this. Make it enter. Kusi. Not down again. Not down again. Tap. Do old man smoking style. Old man smoke. Make the upper they come up for your nose. Don't make it come up for your nose. On upper.
I love you more than that guy. That guy does not love you. He's only showering money on you. He doesn't love you more than I do, honestly.
Why are you making this difficult for yourself? I love that guy. And even if he doesn't love me, I will wait for him till he's ready to reciprocate my love for him.
Fine.
Just understand and let me be. Please.
Fine. I understand you. But one thing is for sure. I'm gonna wait for you until you're ready to realize how much love I have for you.
Oh boy, I remember something now. These people make we enter say too. The first small time now, Pierre go come the open eye they give person. No, they go say these people feel they look for us. I know what make they talk.
Come. Oh, my leg now. Hey, put my leg there now. I don't see my leg again.
What do they bring this way?
No, they see my leg, no.
Oh, but this guy na clown.
You don't see your leg.
I see my leg. No, they see my leg, no.
He said, "Wagon Kuanya." He said, "You don't see your leg."
Check him now.
See your leg. Yes.
Yeah. Hey.
Say you don't see your leg. Where did they bring this one?
Where you see the leg from now?
Now lost and found.
Hey.
Mumu.
Hey.
He said, "Wagon Kuanya." When are they tell you? Naka for Nyame. He dey naka come on, make you come up for here.
See your friend.
Baba ibi pina nwa. Iyo koko pina nwa. Baba ibi pina nwa. Iyo koko pina nwa.
Good day here. Why is there no tissue and soap in my room?
Sorry, sir. I didn't know. It is a job of cleaner. Sorry, sir. I didn't know.
Listen, this is the last time I will come myself to pick up that tissue and soap.
Sorry, sir.
Do you hear me?
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
I'm
How you doing?
I'm doing fine, sir.
You know what I want to ask you? That boy would always sing for location. Quimby.
Okay. We'd always do freestyling. You mean naked though?
Naked. That boy is good.
Good. Oh, you self don't observe this one. I'm one of the PAs for the job.
That's a good voice.
No be lie. No be lie. You con me, no say me I dey try make a teach and the work now by gradually upon saying they don't serve at the ginger.
You go learn now. You know be small take learn.
Na the same one day now. Before I come become expert, they do technical. Don't say na me dey run technical for movie. People dey for welfare side. Me I dey always dey interior. Based on to connect and disconnect, everything goes solve.
No wahala, if you go tell them say I dey here, just say man dey smoke.
Look, I go tell them. Sorry, boss. You been get wetin I be wan tell you since week. Okay. You don't say, thank God say as I pass, you call me make I come and tell you. The hard film well.
My God.
Bros, the hard film oh. You dey laugh.
They laugh now.
I surprise self. When I small self, I dey see your doings for film. If you dey rugged, me self dey shiver for where I see. Sorry, sir. I say I don't even know if I go join movie. But thank God say me and I don't
that one day
run things small. Before you know, I go start from small. They press, they come up. Can't even pass you. Sorry, na slip of tongue.
You go pass me now.
Thank you, sir. I bow. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell us how they
Oh, sir.
Dress the bed now. No wahala. They do it now. Go use your bed. Be a walk. They know they turn you.
Oh, maybe we'll do this thing fast now.
No. Yeah, we try.
Yeah. Mr. Pierre, what is holding us now? Everybody's ready. Let me just help them finish up this thing. Praise it.
He say erase it. Ha! Yeah, no verse abeg. Na this mumu boy wey me and them dey work. Simple instruction.
Try more. Please, help me. Naked mama. Help me, God.
See as you take keep this tripod. Director, no first. Make a go on jet.
Now. It's now you want to on jet.
Now the same now. What they on?
Hey, we're going on saying 27 and 28. It's continuity. See what? 27 and 28.
See, Mr. Pierre, I want to tell you that people are putting me under undue pressure in this job.
We are sorry now.
I have limited time to shoot this film.
We are going to complete this
I shoot it and I'm out of here. Go make sure my artists are on set.
Let me run them off.
Get your act right. What is this? I can't work like this. I can't work under these conditions.
But where you live? You don't reach here.
Okay, nah, you don't come. What's up?
Man,
Is that you now?
I'm good.
Nah,
I nearly missed my way.
No, you can't mistake it because everybody knows the spanner now.
But I've not been here before.
You're here, man. Thank God you're here.
Okay.
So how you be now? My job will they do now, you know?
Equal a lot of chicks.
Tell you to give me a few minutes, I'll be with you guys. Just a few minutes.
Say, I should tell you that. Just give me a few minutes.
I'll be with you guys. Very soon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who's this guy? Nah, be there for this job while they do. The guy is very, very humble. He's humble too. The guy is a musician. Now, if you hear this boy sing, oh boy, you're weak.
Anyway, no, I'm taking my leave now.
Once I finish,
just call me.
Simple.
Okay, when I'm ready.
So, send me where to call, man.
It's okay, it's okay.
Oh boy! Oh boy, Margo. Sure. Sure. You got some people here. No, not the small thing. Oh boy. Nah, send me where to people, man.
Yeah.
Who goes nothing down? Nothing to you. Who goes see now?
Yeah.
Later. Take care. Yeah. Oh boy, now you walk out. Me and saw they hold me for work here, man. It's not a small thing.
Where's that coming from? That voice that I'm hearing.
No, not here. Not here. Who's that? You know that boy who called me to come and say they want to shoot. That time I had to talk with you. That time I was talking with you.
Now, picked my case.
Beautiful. You know, I told you that the guy is a singer. I told you, this guy has this kind of voice. Jeez, the guy is something else. This is, anytime that is the way he caught my fancy. Each time I am coming up to go to my room, I'll be yelling this man. What is he doing under the staircase?
No, what for you? No, they mean high man. You look at us, you know,
You're funny. You were all more now willing now, but the guy was not there.
I have no choice.
But the guy is good, but the guy is good.
No, he's wonderful. The guy is good, honestly. The guy is wonderful. Hey.
How are you today?
I'm fine, Auntie.
So, to tell you something.
Eh?
You know that guy, that tall black guy. What's that his name again?
Naked.
Naked. Yes. Please, I want you to help me and convince him. Just help me and talk to him to come to my room this night.
Huh? To come to your room? We don't finish shooting today now. No be director, producer, continuity, enter motor, go. Say make we PAs go rest for tomorrow shooting.
Song, this one is between the both of us. No director. I want to discuss something with him. Yeah?
I don't understand the corner where you go. You know, say, the production don't stress you. All those kind of pressure.
Son, try for me now,
No problem. I go feel run that package well. I go feel do am. You know, say my guy, they enter sledge well. Just trust her. That's the girl and the feed. No problem. I go run the package. I go run and I know say small okbombi. It's supposed to fall from my palm. I think I shock myself. You know, say welfare. All this welfare, they focus up, put small rice, can't carry all those kind of meat where they be like Maggie cube. They suffer.
Okay, that one is not a problem. But I want you to keep this as a secret. You know I'm a star. I don't want any other person to hear about it.
Now my another name what I get in a secret. I just the answers from you to make her take her get myself before I go next secret enter again. See, I go tell him everything. If you want make it still come for your room tomorrow after shooting, no wahala until this production go finish. My guy too rugged though for that side where you dey find.
Song.
I dey tell you, auntie. I dey tell you, auntie.
Yeah,
for me.
Yeah,
for me.
This one at 2,000 for this night go.
Tomorrow
own another money go follow.
Song.
Every day you go they rob me.
You never see.
Thank you. Thank you. No, if na better sledgery, you feel collect away from my guy, yo. No problem.
All right, do a nice job for me, yeah?
Thank you, Auntie. I need calm down my nerves for English.
Song.
See, naked better day grand, and I would like make you use your brain well. All this special opportunity wait for your body. So, they hear me back. That actress. If you see the way she think they talk about you, say she like you. They talk good about you, say the way you call they match you, they say she trusts you, she like you. Guy, use your brain. Follow that girl where she even promised she go give us small allowance. Anytime, any day we'll finish shooting. She go shock on us small here. We could take the press after we don't eat that small welfare. We know they reach us. True. They tell you, utilize this opportunity well. Would you have number? No. You know, go use your brain. Wait, I go take wait to make her won't make you come for her room. You know, small picking now, if na for sledgery side, me I trust you. Now can better sledgery because me I know say that thing don't they hold this gear day. Since when she did this location, she know they talk to any man. You know say that kind of the hungry girls. No woman feed they 2 weeks, make you know knack sledgery. I they tell you. What's here? The room number. 213 for that last. That is time. Now the passage, the corner where the is not to drink alaboku or alomo, mix am with all those things we go make that guy. I won't make you show that girl say you be naked. Enter better sledgery. Still don't want.
So, what is wrong with that, your friend? He walked out on me the other night.
I did sorry well, Auntie. You know, say, me I try everything possible to sure say, I convince about the guy stubborn. What you want to do? What you want to do? But no verse, Sha.
He is a big fool.
Abi? Big one.
Let me see how he will grow in this business.
Let me see. Okay, you go make he no go grow.
I will deal with him.
Deal with him. Just take your time, deal with him well. Because me, I won't deal with that guy. Me, I won't deal with her personally. So you, as you don't collect the work, deal with her. Deal with her.
I will deal with him.
Deal with her. Just take your time, deal with her. Because the deal I won't deal with herself. You got. See what I tell her.
How those days from the fresh face. You should have seen what happened. I tried to lure this girl in. She was too smart. Look at that. She was so, you know what she told me? I said, okay, fine, I got all this things going on.
Why did you send your boy to come and serve us? What's your problem, man? Don't you know these guys are big boys?
They have been working in a fuck up. Not like that guy, man.
Tua salah seperti mawe sabi bapak jalan di mawe sabi sabi kata bit bigas di sabah nabi lah. Tua mawe sabi. Nende alebarik. Tua alebarika. Tua alebarika. Alebarik mesabi alebarika. Alebarik baba donje alebarika. Alebarik mawe sabi alebarika. Alebarik ngone kone alebarika. Alebarik change alebarika. Alebari ngwere kone alebarika. Alebari upezeke alebarika. Tua
Alabarika, Baba, Alabarika, Alabarika, my way sabi, Alabarika, Alabarika.
I go one job here,
man. Supernatural.
Truthfully, the guy is good.
No, the issue is that this guy is a super clown.
We will go places, so.
And to start with.
Oh no, he got some talent. The guy is something else. Banjeba.
My own for you. Now for you. And water and juice. Wait a minute. That is not funny. That guy that's hold on. That tua, whatever he was saying. Now, did you hear that? And then he went back saying, Albarika. Albarika is a good thing, yeah. Yes, man.
But, before you forget, there's this guy who loved you to this.
Oh, yeah.
That guy is something else. His voice is wonderful.
Honestly.
That guy is something else.
Honestly.
If you listen to this guy,
what does he do? When I go,
the very first day I met you. If you listen to this guy's voice, the guy is good.
Wait a minute. That was his song?
Yes.
No, I want to understand one thing. This guy you're promoting, Kaki.
You know that anytime I'm going up, I'll keep listening to that song. The guy sings under the staircase. Every night, you see him there.
Sing more than us,
Child's play.
Oh, guy, that's
Child's play.
No, wait a minute. Does he do more than Two-Face? No. Oh, no. If I'll go call Two-Face, then I need to pay him with Fino.
He sings more than Fino, guy.
He does?
Understand what I'm trying to tell you.
Wait a minute. With the two of you confirming this guy.
What that guy is always singing under the staircase every evening.
Under the staircase?
I'll keep listening to him. Under the staircase, he will sing.
You just pam, just the same.
Such talent is fresh.
Guy, see lyrics?
Oh shit. But meanwhile, I'm cheated by that.
Yeah.
You know, I was actually dancing.
You know, if you give this to the presidency, I'm whoa. Papa, where they? I want to pass the I want me now. Where
now, why not? You want to
I want to understand one thing. Is the guy a singer? Is he a musician?
The guy is a
and he's a good singer?
Wonderful.
No, wait a minute. Oh, no, I go kind of No, let me come.
Child's play, man.
Does he sing as much as Two-Face?
guy is not here.
Child's play, man. I tell you.
No, wait a minute. Is he as good as... Okay, fine. Should I pair him with Fino?
Guy sings more than Fino.
He sings more than Fino?
Yes. Something like...
Very
first day I met you.
There's that only like video.
I was mad.
You sang that song?
Yes.
Sorry? You know the guy? Jesus.
Papa, buy opener.
What will happen with that?
Sharply.
I'll call that guy.
Kaka, I want to sit down.
No, I'll call him.
If the guy is as good as he's supposed to, then he's me.
If for that guy, I will call him. He's always under the staircase.
He's always where?
Under the staircase of the hotel.
He's always under the staircase of the hotel.
Yeah, he could just come there. He could just sing. The guy is something else, man. That dude is wonderful.
Anyway, I don't know about this guy, but if you confirm, it's good. And guess what? I like to invest my money where he belongs. I got my man here. You all know him already now. He's fresh.
Yeah.
Fresh. He's with
international bank. Wow. In Nigeria. And he's been there for a long time.
Fresh.
Fresh is a lover of music. Fresh is a lover of talent. Fresh is a lover of any...
Juliet. She has gone to that her useless boyfriend.
Shit. What is wrong with Juliet? I've done everything possible to make Juliet understand that I really love her. That I love her from the bottom of my heart. Why is she treating me like this? Of course, I don't deserve it. Because I know I have a true love for her. Sweetie, let me tell you something. I am ready to do everything humanly possible to make Juliet happy.
Are you sure?
Cocksure.
So you want me to help you talk to Juliet?
That is exactly what I want you to do for me. I want you to make her understand how and what I feel for her.
Hope you won't break her heart.
I cross my heart. I swear I can never break her heart.
Because if you do, you will have me to contend with.
I swear on my honor, I will never break her heart. Juliet should just give me this chance and I am okay. Please let me prove my love for her. Because I am very sure that I love her more than Derek.
Don't worry.
Yes?
Kakaki has proved beyond every reasonable doubt that he loves you. Please, just give him a chance.
No. I'm scared of them. I trusted Eric with my whole heart. But he failed me. He did.
He knew I never liked that guy for us. If you had listened to my instructions, this won't have happened. Please, give him a chance, okay?
Coming!
Hi, sweetie.
Let me give you guys a chance. Okay? Fine.
Thank you. Sweetie, hi. Hi. I had what happened. Listen, it's like that, okay? Feel no pain. I promised you before now that I was going to be there for you any day. No matter what you do. And this is me here. I don't mind. Okay? I don't mind.
For you?
I will always be there for you. I love you.
I love you too. Thank
Love
you.
you.
Oh, thank you so much.
I love you so much. I'll do everything to make you happy. Okay?
Thank you very much.
I have a strong shoulder. You just lean on me, okay?
Alright.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
That's good.
Auntie, thank you. Auntie, you know, say this our work. This our work is not easy at all.
Naked.
Very easy.
You're a humble boy.
Auntie, thank you. Thank you, Auntie.
Tell me more about yourself.
Auntie, you too, you know, you just all. You don't have to go and from the farm, you know?
Are you a graduate?
No. Auntie, I am. But you know, in this country, okay, you school, graduate, serve, you know. No work for us to work. That's why I see me doing all those things. Okay, doing PA work just for me to keep life going on. You know, everywhere is tight. So for us to survive, we got to do another thing. Any menial work for us to survive. Okay.
How you couple with this your PA job?
That work is too stressful, okay? But for you to climb stage by stage to that level, that elastic limit, you have to be obedient. That's why I see me being obedient too, so I can learn more, climb, become myself. But shall be well. Shall be well.
I love that.
How do they take this script?
This. How are you? So you will find out.
Yesterday they get breakdown. They break them down. Continuity. How do they take all of
Continuity.
Okay. Hi.
No, everything is step by step. Okay.
You go Zulu, die. Life no easy at all. You go Zulu, die. I come out to see me. How the men for the hood come they beat me. They won't collect a damn. I confess more, we put the one banner. You won't look at it, but it ain't get it, but no. You won't look at it, but it ain't get it, but you can't want the one side. Oh! What's it now? Who's what be this now? You know they're tired to sing. Come on, go enter street to go meet people for labor market. Or if you enter Mavi record, may they sign you. Tima yourself, they find people where they sign you. They say alalala olololo. I beg make her sleep. Ah.
Just small sing, you want to say me I just sing. Just small sing. Song why they make I just sing them. I just do on my own. No. I don't touch you. I don't disturb you.
He the singer for my ear. He the singer for my ear. No singer again. No. It be like see, I dey tell you. You be like say you go find another jungle where you go they put to her. Now this singing now I ain't go cause wahala. Enter labor market. Ah. Make her sleep. Oh. No one here no again. No.
You know the same guy you said sings under the staircase?
That's right. I will shock you tonight.
Okay. Wait a minute. You know, Fresh Face told me something. He's not here tonight. You know, the bankers, the way they go with all this stuff. He's agreed to invest alongside. Is this your guy? Is he here tonight?
Should I call him now?
Call him! Get the guy there. Fire!
Dikeh!
Boss!
Report here fast!
Let's go.
For real, that's him! Dikeh!
That's boss.
Meet Chooks.
Boss, I beat the boss.
Yes, boss. How are you doing?
Chooks is our friend, my big friend. They meet the man they might call Don J.
Dog, Papa, I beat the boss! I beat the boss.
I don't know. You know, what drove me crazy actually that my guy boasted the fact that you were better than Two-Face, you were better than... Also, for real again.
We'll do it right here, right now.
If you're that good, and they call you naked.
Yes, bro.
Any? I don't care.
Don J.
Boss.
Let him bust. Let him bust.
Don J.
I'm
going to thrill you right now, right here.
I'm waiting.
This moment.
I'm waiting.
Listen, I called you here to thrill us. Can see we're having fun? I called you to thrill us. Give us what you got. You gotta go. Pope.
Hey.
Kakaki, inwere mmanya, iweta anu kamtam. Today, anyị ga-enwe banguli. You see this man na-emebe ọfụma. Ifuru daddy na-akụkwa akụ. Ifuru kakaki dey do well. Chai, ifuru chako nwa mama, dey do well. Oya, clear it for this man. Man, wey sabi. Oya, stand up to your feet. Dance the infinity. Oya, Oya, papa, mama, bata. Abukwa mwa mama. You see this life, oh, it no easy. My brother padi them. Can't you see? I got you. Yeah, man, and one thing is that when the queen walks in, everybody bows. You bow first. Kaka.
Hello,
the queen is here.
How you doing?
I'm fine.
Yeah, good to see you. You're welcome.
Yeah. So the queen says that everything continues.
Oh, yeah.
Sweetie, you're the best. You're the best.
Boss. Gule gaba inwero shaking. Popelo.
Finish. Hi. Boss, Imana sentence na myirewu. Imana uche si na mbukwewu. Imana Nancy si na mbukwewu. Echeke ya ofuma ifu na mmadu aburewu. No. Imana sentence na myirewu na mbukwewu. Echeke ya ofuma ifu na mmadu aburewu. This girl I find baby on my canoe. Chai, akwa no panam. Jamuru this girl. Oh no. Marama. How do you come mami water? Chai, wabu sama. How you mami water? She say fine papa. You must take me around the town. Chai, akwa Zeni hotel. Zeni international hotel. Kayiga Passazi. Oh, many things they demand. Chai, many things. Many things, Shawama, push me, Chai, in where Kanda, Madame Wetere Murano. No, for favorite, Makanobu for my favorite. Anything she point I go by. Each and a man, no, Imana Sita, say, I'm here. Wow. You know what? What's your name again?
Naked, my boy.
Naked. Wow, mama. Is that what you wrote behind you? Can you just stop back? Let me see it. Jeez. Naked. Wow, that's for real. That's for real. Wow, that's good. You know what I'm going to do? I came prepared. They told me about you. I thought it was a joke. And now I'm impressed. I'm so impressed. To an extent, I want to do something crazy. Here is a house key of a flat. The key of a flat.
Too much.
Take it.
Half of one now.
I will take it to the flat. I'm telling you the truth. Feel good. And guess what? I can prepare. Like I said, this is a contract paper. And I will give it to Chika. Chika's here. You meet with Chika, you sign it, and you're going to be at our level. But today, we'll have a new level. I will talk to you about the level when you read and sign. But my special gift to you today is a small car I came with.
What?
Take it.
Is this real?
Maybe he is good. For real. Come on, it's good. He's a good singer.
I want to call him. And I don't even carry her number for her. That is the problem. Open up number and say, I just die, collect her number, call her. But I want to call her now. Check him and this is not the come up, but this is something. Oh, I didn't judge her. Something is wrong somewhere. Oh, I didn't judge her. As in, I get the feelings.
You really need to hear from your mother.
Abi, they can want to now. I need to enter Suka now. I need to enter Suka. I go see my mom.
That's a good idea. You need to take some days and weeks off and travel to the village.
But see the problem again. See, if I travel now, this video way done, Papa don't shoot now. This second video now, how I want to do check up. Don't be the preparation we do now.
You do but relax, calm down. This one is also important. You feel me? I will help you beg Baba Donje, make him give you a few days before the video shooting. Make people see your mama. No worry, my man. This one is very important. I really need to hear from your mom. Just come, make me chill, my man. Freestyle and just free. I will help you talk to them. That's small thing. That's small thing, my guy.
Now what to make you carry me come for back here? The small thing will not reach anything. Before uncle, I go follow you go now. You know be my guy. Me and you wait there like bread and butter now. Anywhere where you want make I follow you go. Just you don't need to talk and twice now. Just signal me. They board they go.
Yes, I really want to see my mother. I need to reach Suka. Make I see my mother first.
Wait. You mean say your don Baba J go allow you travel go village?
Baba J will not allow me since. See my tell you, Baba J even give me money. Even at Para I said, give me 1 bag of rice, my carry go see my mother. Plus other things will follow.
Now he be saying flexing things will they go wrong for villa so. No be smart thing. I dey tell you true. You know saying that this kind thing. I dey tell you that time onto Marshall line, IG line, in Korodo, via Ayogo City. Now I know say you be celebrity. And anybody where they deal with the celebrity is also a celebrity. Smarter I don't dey freestyle like.
Baby, I must confess, oh, your loving make me to jump fence, oh, I love you, girl, no be your friend, oh, she fine like me, mama, me mama go like ya, she fine like me, mama, my mama go like ya, she a fine like me, mama. Mama go like that, you wanna take her home right now. Yes, I love you, wanna take you for a dinner, you so na. She feel like me, mama, you wanna take her home right now. Yes, I love you, wanna take you for a dinner, you so girl, lean on me, girl, lean on me, girl, please come on me. Oh, the love I go give to you, girl, you never see. Oh, I did it for you. If I see oxygen, oh, and call me Mr. Double from my area. Then now you the cause malaria. Area from Nigeria. Now you the boost up in my team, baby, I must confess, oh, your loving make me to jump fence, oh, I love you, girl, I'll be your friend, oh.
Hey, mama, me.
Hey, what? Oh, yeah, catch him.
Mama.
Oh, yeah, catch him.
Mama.
Oh, yeah, catch him, mama. Oh, yeah, catch him. Cherry, catch him. Everybody come on.
Why is stepping on this cloth now? I'm going to come here. What the men now?
You will not understand.
Understand what?
Hey! Hey!
Oh, my mother.
Hey! Hello! Understand though. Hey! Everybody come on! My son is alive. Is not. Hey! Jesus man make it. Hello! Hey! Jesus!
Mama, take him easy. Take him easy. Take him easy.
You said I have a song.
Yes, Mama. Yes, this is a case of Marshall Line, IG Line from Korodo via Yogo City. 10 Oka made for person back instant time. They tell you. They tell you Mama, see your picture,
So you now came to my house to command me? Eh? Because you are naked? Uncle, I don't maybe at all. I don't understand you at all. Uncle now, what is now? I came here to tell you to stop selling our land.